In today's Hostinger VPS tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a Hostinger VPS. Whether you're running a business or a personal project, a VPS can give you the power and the flexibility that you need, and it's no longer as complicated as it used to be. So let me teach you how to master your Hostinger virtual private server. First, if you don't know, VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It's a virtualized server that acts as a dedicated one, but is cost effective. With a VPS, you have root access, allowing you to install any software and manage your server environment. But you're still on a shared server, so it's not like you need to do everything. Now, let's choose a VPS for beginners plan on Hostinger. Use my Hostinger VPS coupon below or scan the QR code on the screen. Then navigate to the cheap VPS section. You'll see different plans based on resources, CPU, RAM, and storage. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Get Started. All right, now you might not know your needs, so let me help you with this as well. A KVM1 subscription is viable for small projects when you're just starting. If you'll need more sites and those sites will get more traffic, then KVM2 is the option to go with. That's what I recommend you choose. So 8 gigabytes is plenty to start. And what's great about Hostinger is that you can always upgrade your plan as your projects grow. Okay, we're in the checkout. What's important here? First, the billing period. If you have the budget, I would advise going for 24 months since this gives you the best monthly discount. Do you need daily backups? Honestly, probably not. Not at this point. And Hostinger provides weekly backups for free. Unless you have a larger store or news sites where info changes every day, then we can pass this edition. Next up, choose the server location that is closest to you or your audience. So if you're targeting European markets, pick any server in that region. Don't overthink it. You can change your server location later. And Hostinger is going to give you recommendations for this based on your traffic. The most important thing is our operating system. The thing is that not all of them are free and not all of them are even remotely beginner friendly, but we have a few good choices here like Ubuntu. Next, we can go straight with WordPress. This is best if you're planning to run a single website on your virtual private server. However, there's an even easier and convenient method using pre-built templates with control panels. For easier server management, I recommend you go with Cloud Panel. Now, the next step is to pay for your VPS hosting. Create an account with Hostinger. I recommend using your Google account for convenience. And finally, wait for your virtual private server setup to be completed. And okay, once you've paid for your VPS and you've created an account, now how to set up VPS the easy way, you'll need to create root and control panel passwords and make sure you have the free malware scanner active. Now, surprise, we don't need to do anything with the console or sudo any command since, well, after we go here and enter our credentials, the panel looks like this. Yeah, I told you it's the easier method to manage VPS. So what can you do here? You can create users and manage their roles, change security settings, or manage your instance. And don't be afraid to mess with these settings until you understand them. Don't worry, it's so simple that you can't break anything. And even if you do, Hostinger has automatic backups, so you're in safe hands. All right, I'm about to finish this Hostinger VPS tutorial, so let's install a new WordPress website. It's very simple. Click Add New, select WordPress, and fill in your information. Most importantly, add passwords, point to your domain, and delegate users. But that's sort of it. Just wait a bit and you can log in to your fresh WordPress website. See, I told you it takes only a few steps. So next, just choose a theme by visiting the Appearance section and selecting Themes. Customize your site by adding pages, posts, and adjusting settings to your liking. And I'm going to leave a WordPress Hostinger tutorial for you in the description. Okay, last tips from me. To secure your website with an SSL certificate in Cloud Panel, go to the website section and select your site. Click the SSL tab and enable SSL using Let's Encrypt. Follow the prompts to verify your domain and issue the certificate. Ensure that SSL is enabled and consider redirecting HTTP traffic to HTTPS, which you can do in the SSL settings or by editing the .htaccess file. And now just check your site to confirm the SSL installation by looking for the padlock icon. Okay, to set up regular backups, go to the backup section, create a backup schedule, and choose what to include, like website files or databases. set retention policies for how long backups are kept. You can also perform manual backups if needed, and regularly monitor these backups in the Cloud Panel dashboard. Now, for ongoing maintenance, keep WordPress themes and plugins updated to avoid vulnerabilities. Use security plugins to scan for malware and set alerts for suspicious activity. Luckily, Hostinger has a great system for monitoring all this, so don't forget to go back and check out all the other tools they have on offer. I didn't have time to cover all of them today, but there are a lot. And that's it for my quick VPS tutorial. You've successfully set up and configured your Hostinger VPS, as well as installed a WordPress website. From here on out, you should be in good hands. Just don't forget to utilize that Cody chatbot for all your questions. If you found this video helpful, click that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any feedback in the comments below. Happy hosting. I'll see you later. Bye.